Jelly cake recipes. Cut fruits into pieces. Cut dairy milk chocolate into pieces. Take a vessel and add 1/2 liter of water. Take 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. Add 1 bowl of sugar. Cook for ½ hour on low heat by stirring constantly. Pour little liquid in mold. Now you can put fruits slice one by one. You can also add dry nuts of your choice. Now again pour the little liquid. Repeat the same method again. 1 layer of fruits, nuts and chocolate. And second layer is of liquid. Lastly, pour liquid and tap it. Then keep it in freeze for 10 hours or overnight. Remove it from freeze and unmold it from corners by using knife. Remove it in plate by flipping upside down. Tap it. Jelly cake is ready to serve. Like, comment, and share.